5 birds with the most beautiful Beaks toko toucan, famous for its oversized orange beak, which is both lightweight and strong. Its beak helps regulate body temperature and reach fruits. Atlantic puffin, nicknamed the clown of the sea. Its colorful triangular beak glows under UV light during mating season. Rhinoceros hornbill with a large, curved yellow-orange casque on top of its beak. This bird looks majestic and powerful. American white pelican. Its long beak with a throat pouch can hold up to 3 gallons of water. So not only does it look beautiful, but it's also very functional. Resplendent quetzal with a short yellow beak, contrasting its vibrant green and red feathers. This sacred bird of the Mayans looks like a jewel of the forest.